How to install WhatsApp in laptop or PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch any web browser. Click search bar, type in whatsapp.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll reach on the official interface of WhatsApp where you can see the download icon. Click download at top right corner and the exe file has already been downloaded. So let's click on show in folder option and your WhatsApp installer has been located here. So let's double click on it and you simply need to open it. Now you need to wait until it has been checking the system requirements. So it will take a few time. You need to wait patiently until that. And after that, the download process will be started. And as you can see that we have successfully downloaded WhatsApp on laptop or PC. Now you can easily click on get started button and connect your mobile phone with your WhatsApp on laptop or PC. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.